When Microsoft first introduced Copilot, many people thought it was simply Microsoft's version of ChatGPT. But after spending hours testing it, I realized that's not actually what makes it special. In this video, we're putting Microsoft Copilot through the Project AI benchmark. We'll test its chat capabilities, writing skills, research, image generation, and real-world usefulness to see whether it deserves a place alongside ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Unlike many AI assistants, Copilot is deeply connected with Microsoft's ecosystem, including Windows, Microsoft 365, and the Edge browser. The first thing I noticed was just how clean the interface feels. Everything is easy to find. The layout is simple. Let's start with something simple. I asked Copilot to explain artificial intelligence to a complete beginner. The explanation was clear, easy to understand, and avoided unnecessary technical language. For everyday questions like this, Copilot feels approachable, making it a great option for students and casual users. Next, I tested its writing abilities by asking it to draft a professional leave request email. The response had a polite tone, correct grammar, and was ready to use with almost no editing. For office work, this is exactly the kind of task Copilot handles well. So far, Copilot has handled the basics really well. But the real question is whether it can go beyond simple conversations.
So let's start with the most basic task, chatting. I asked Copilot everyday questions, technical questions, and even creative prompts. The responses were clear, well-structured, and easy to understand. It didn't feel robotic. Instead, it felt more like having a conversation with someone who understands the context. Next came deep research. This is where many AI assistants start to struggle. I gave Copilot questions that required detailed explanations instead of simple answers. It organized the information well, broke down complex topics, and explained everything in a beginner-friendly way. Now let's test one of Copilot's biggest features, AI image generation. I used the same prompts that we've tested in previous AI videos on this channel, and the results were surprisingly detailed, colorful, and generated quickly. While not every image was perfect, the overall quality was impressive for a free experience. After spending time with Copilot, a few strengths became very clear. It has a clean interface. It's simple for beginners. It integrates well with Microsoft's ecosystem. And its image generation is genuinely enjoyable to use. But it's definitely not perfect. Some responses still feel generic. Occasionally, it refuses prompts that other AI tools can answer. And depending on the task, ChatGPT or Claude may still produce stronger results. Subscribe to Project AI for more weekly AI tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.